speaking about how to repair your credit. You would want them to pull a new bureau. With both, TransUnion may report something differently than Equifax will report. And you'd want to ensure that you identify each of the debt that was included or captured in either the proposal or the bankruptcy and make a note that debt has been discharged because of your filing.
And is it part of your duties or the client have to do it?
The client will need to do it. We provide them with the tools on how to do it. It's a simple enough reporting. Anyone looking into your bureau is going to see that you no longer owe that money to that creditor and it's not new debt. Identifying what existed prior versus what existing now is important.